Welcome to our channel. If you want to claim a free trial through subscription marketplaces like Apple App Store, Google Play, or Amazon, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the subscription marketplace app on your device. For Apple users, open the App Store. For Android users, open Google Play Store, or visit Amazon's subscription section. Step 2. Search for the service or app you want to try in the marketplace's search bar. Make sure you're looking at the official app from the legitimate developer. Step 3. Tap on the app or service to view its details page. Scroll down to find subscription options and look for any free trial offers available through the marketplace. Step 4. Tap on the Start Free Trial or Try for Free button. The marketplace will handle the subscription process through your existing account payment method. Step 5. Review the trial details, including the length of the free period and the subscription price that will apply after the trial ends if you don't cancel. Step 6. Confirm the free trial subscription by authenticating with your device's security method, such as Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Step 7. The app or service will be downloaded automatically if applicable, and your trial will begin immediately. You'll have full access to premium features during the trial period. Step 8. To manage or cancel your trial, go to your device's subscription settings through the App Store, Google Play, or Amazon account before the trial period ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.